you may have like a major chord may sound bright, a minor chord may sound dark. So a major chord has a bright sound, a minor chord have a dark sound. And the reason why a major chord have a bright sound and the reason why a minor chord have a darker sound, it has to do with, you have to study the diatonic scale. The diatonic scales was extracted from the chromatic scales to form the musical structure in the Western Hemisphere. And out of the diatonic scales is where chords are built. And and the musical formula in the diatonic scales is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. That's a whole different subject. And out of the whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half, chords are built. So like a major chord, and how the intervals are separated using the whole, whole, half from the diatonic scales, it is based on a number system. So the first note. So the reason why a major chord may sound bright is because it has the first, it has the third, and it has the fifth interval, right? Minor, the third is a step back to a flat. Now, what's my point for mentioning this in music? In art, what you notice in